Hey guys, welcome back to Ami's Cookiesy. I hope you all are doing good. So today's recipe is bakery style honey cake. It is eggless and we are going to bake this cake without oven. It is very easy to make and it is very tasty. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this particular honey cake is very moist and juicy. Make this for your family and they will love it. Especially kids would really love it. So let us quickly see how to make this yummy honey cake. Into a bowl, add 1/4 cup oil, half cup curd, and nicely mix this together. Make sure that the curd and oil is well combined. So keep mixing this. It will take around 2 minutes. Now into a sieve, add 1 plus 1/4 cup maida, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Now sift everything together. Now we're going to combine this using the cut and fold method. Now add 1/4 cup milk and again cut and fold. Do not mix this too much. You just need to cut and fold it. Now add in half teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 pinch of orange food color. This is totally optional. I'm just adding it so that it will look just like the bakery honey cake. Nicely combine this together. Now take a greased cake tin. I have just put a butter paper and applied some oil. You can also just put some oil and add some maida and grease the cake tin and add in the cake batter into it. If you do not have a cake tin, you can use any aluminium vessel. Now wiggle it, shake it to release any air bubbles. Just tap it, make sure it is evenly spread out. To bake the cake, we need to preheat a kadai. So make sure the flame is high. Place a kadai and place a wire rack like this. Put the lid on and allow it to heat up for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can place in the cake tin. Put the lid on. Reduce the flame to medium and cook it for around 30 to 35 minutes. Every stove is different, so it might take 5 minutes less or 5 minutes more to bake the cake. So after 35 minutes, the cake looks ready. I'm going to insert a skewer and check. As you can see that the skewer has come out clean, which means the cake is ready. If the skewer does not come out clean, you can close the lid and further cook it. Now I'm going to put it on a cooling rack and allow it to cool completely. Now into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of water and nicely mix it together. Now into this, add in 1/4 cup of honey. Give it a nice mix and we'll allow it to cook until one boil and until the sugar is nicely melted. Now you can switch off the flame. Once the cake is completely cooled, Let us check how it has turned out. I'm going to flip the cake. Just tap it. It has come out very easily. Now I'm just going to remove the butter paper. You can see the cake looks perfect. It's nice and spongy. Let's flip it again. I'll show you from the sides. It's perfectly done. Now, with a toothpick or a skewer or a fork, you can just poke the cake and make holes all over. Into this, I'm going to add the prepared sugar and honey syrup. Evenly spread it out. If you like your cake to be more sweet, while making the syrup, you can add extra 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's a personal choice. Now I've spread it nicely. I've saved 2 tablespoons of the syrup. Now into this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of strawberry jam and just heat it lightly. Make sure you don't heat it too much. That is it. And I'm going to pour it on the top of the cake. Evenly spread it. Now sprinkle some desiccated coconut and your honey cake is ready. Doesn't this look exactly like the bakery style honey cake? It's very easy to make, guys. So please try this recipe at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon so that you do not miss any video. Also, do not forget to like my Facebook page. I will leave the link in the description box below. Thank you.